So I found out Facebook can pay creators for 3 months as salary just by posting content. And that is aside of that content monetization, that's the earning that your videos are generating. That is aside, they are paying you salary. But I was excited until I asked what happens after, and the answer shocked me. So in this video, I'll be explaining what creator fast track is all about, how much you can earn, and who is eligible, and how to also increase the chance of what earning. So if you're a new creator and you are confused about what is this fast track, creator fast track is all about, I've got it covered. All I need you to do is what, pay attention, because at the end of this video I'm going to show you process on how to actually was apply, because there are things that you need to do for Facebook to send this invitation to you. Okay, stick around. Creator fast track make it easier to even for established creators who are new to or rediscovering Facebook to grow and succeed on the platform. Creator in the program will receive increased reach on eligible rates to help speed up with their followers growth, and 3 months of guaranteed pay for sharing eligible reels on Facebook. So this is all about you posting reels on Facebook. I need to say this so you guys know. Lots of people, they'll say that Facebook is not paying, but see, this is coming from Meta. Facebook is investing more to help creators earn from what they do, best, creating content their communities love. In 2022, in 2025, Facebook paid content creators nearly $3 billion from its creator monetization program, and a 35% increase from previous year, and it was highest annual total ever. I just want to clear this. This is coming from Meta. This is where most creators got it wrong. How to unlock your payouts, how much you can earn. So if you're eligible, you will receive monthly payments for 3 months, which means your salary. That means you are going to post 15 eligible reels a month on Facebook. That is, there are no Facebook views count on it. They are not counting how many views. It's just for you to post 50 videos every for a month, and you can share your content that you have already made, or new content is left for you. So it's up to you, as long as it is your original content, which is very important, original work, and you are going to earn. It's based on what your followers count. From if you have 20k followers to 100k followers, they are going to pay you $100 to $450. Oh my goodness. And you have from 100k followers to 1 million, they are going to what, to pay you $1,000, and you have million followers to upwards, is going to what, you are going to receive $3,000. And let me say something, and this is the most important one I want to add here. Your reel must be uploaded on 10 separate days within each month, so that you'll be eligible to receive payments at the end of the month. And that your content should be public, not private. Very important. And who is eligible for this creator fast track? Most people, they will say that everybody is eligible. This is coming from Meta. This program is designed for creators who already know to or rediscovering Facebook. So to apply, you must all meet all the following requirements, which is you must reside in the United States or Canada. Did you hear? You must be 18 years of age or better still older. And you have what? You have created Facebook page, and your account must be what? 30 days old. And you have and you must what, provide your Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube handle during the what, registration when you're applying. So if you're applying for this, your other handle should have like at least 20k followers. You should have at least 30k views, video views in the last 60 days. And lastly, high quality content that's filmed or created by you. Hope you are taking notes of this. Before I talk about who can get it and how to increase your chance, have you subscribed to this channel? Anyway, let me introduce myself. My name is Blessing TV on other platforms. On this channel, I share tips that can actually help you to grow and earn money from your content, especially Facebook. So if this is kind of content that you like, why can't you subscribe? And you see that bell closer to my profile, closer to where you subscribe. Turn it on so that you'll be the first person to watch my video. Let me share something here. If you have, let me share my own service that I render to people. If you don't know how to set up your monetization, you can DM me for it. DM me on Facebook, Blessing TV, on Instagram, Blessing TV. That is my name. Or you are struggling to how to actually what, to start earning from your content. You don't know which niche to choose. I have ebook where I explain all the niches and how you can actually what, grow from it. So use the link in the description below and get started. Who can actually what, get it? Now here is the truth nobody is telling you. You can't just apply like normal monetization. Most people get it through invitation. It's through invitation. Even if you apply, you are going to wait until when Facebook see that your content is valuable. They are mostly likely to target people on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Then here is how to increase your chance. If you want to be noticed, then start doing things like posting consistency, focus on reels, using a strong hook that will stop people from watching. And you can also miss value and entertainment. Let me say this, Facebook is looking for creators that can keep people watching, keep people in the program, and be careful, there are scammers out there. If anyone asks you to pay for this program, it is fake. Oh, Facebook will never charge you to join this program. And how do you apply to this? Use your Facebook page to search for Meta Newsroom. You can literally what follow this account. So it's going to automatically search for this creator fast track. You are going to see the article, they are written everything about it. Then look for this place, they say apply. Click apply here, click on it. When you click on it, automatically it's going to show you the requirement that you need. You need to have what, 100,000 followers, blah blah blah, like I mentioned in my previous video. Click continue. When you click on continue, it take you to apply to creators fast track. You're going to enter 300 or more, get instant access to content monetization, receive increased reach to help you grow very fast. That is, grow your followers very fast. When you click that continue, or you are going to change the eligible again to take back to this place where you have the opportunity to get 1,000 a month if you have 100,000 followers on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, and 3,000 if you have over 1 million followers. Then click continue. Automatically take you to this place. They ask you to what, add your account, whether Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. You are going to add it here because I have not I don't have the amount of followers that they need, so I'm not going to apply. So when you add this here, automatically it's going to what, tell you to continue. You follow the process like that, and you are going to wait until when they send you the invitation that you're already invited, and boom, you start earning just by what, creating content. And see, there are things that you also need to know here. So that is everything you need to know about creator fast track. So if you're just about growing as a creator, now is actually the best time to start, and don't wait until it's become crowded. And if you find this video helpful, share this other content creator. I still remain blessed with AZTV on all the platforms, and I'll see you guys on another one.